Hi everyone, hello. Now it's time for me to have my lunch. Taste the delicacy that I made today. That is rajma rice, rajma chawal. This is my second attempt in cooking food. So today I made plain rice. This was the exact procedure that we had followed last time. No changes to that. And a new try that I made today is how to make rajma. So these two things have happened today, and let us check the rice first. Let us check the rice. I'd like to check the rice that I made. Just there are two spatulas. Oh wow, rice is good. The rice has turned out to be good. Good. It has not caked. It has not caked. Rice has turned out to be nice and good. It is good. Yes, the rice is good. It is good, and this time this rice is not caked up, so I'm happy about that. So a little bit improvement is there in the process that I tried. Last time there was caking, but this time there is no caking. Nice, excellent. It has come up very nice. The rice has come up very nice. So I'm happy about the attempt this time that I made. And then this is the rajma. Let us see how good the rajma is. The smell is awesome. The smell is awesome. I'm loving the smell. It is good. The smell is awesome. Heavenly. Yes, the smell is awesome. So, okay. This has also turned out to be good. Well, it's just for me to start having the lunch. I'm just getting too hungry to have the lunch that I've made. So, today I've also taken some pickle. I just thought I'll have some pickle. So I've taken this red chili pickle. Red chili pickle is there with me. I'll just have a pickle today. So first I'll start with the pickle. I've taken the pickle. This is a ready-made pickle. This is not made by me. I don't know how to make a pickle. It's a ready-made pickle. So the pickle is done. Okay. I'll have my rice. Okay, just taking my rice. This time the rice has come out very well. It has come out superb. It has come too good. I mean, better than last time. There is no caking, absolutely no caking to the rice. So this is very good. So this time there is an improvement. It is better than last time. Yes, it is definitely better than last time. Wonderful, lovely rice that has come up. The rice is good. So this rice is good, and rice is excellent. Very lovely, better than last time. No caking, absolutely no caking to the rice. So I think I have learned a little bit how to make some good rice. Then I'll have this rajma. I'll have the rajma now. Okay. It's all good, delicious. It has turned out to be delicious. This is the rajma rice that I made today. So, yes, it is good. The smell is heavenly, superb smell. The smell is awesome. It's too hot. It's still hot. Awesome. Time for me to try. As I said, lockdown period is a wonderful period for me. It has turned out to be a wonderful period for me. to learn cooking. First time I made plain rice, dal and potato fry, and this is my second attempt at cooking. And again today I've made plain rice and rajma. So I'm going to start it. Once again, I have surprised myself. I didn't expect this to turn out so good. Superb, superb. Awesome. Taking a little bit of red chili. Pickle. It's very delicious, very delicious. Again, I would like to say, it has turned out to be too good. I didn't expect this good food. No, seriously, I didn't expect I'll be making so good rajma. Another pickle. Awesome. The rice has been cooked thoroughly nicely today. Very well it has been cooked. Rice has come up very nice. No caking, nothing. And the rajma is super delicious. As I was saying, this lockdown period has turned up too good for me because I started cooking. I'll rather say I just started learning how to cook. My first attempt, I made plain rice and dal, and I also made a potato fry. The first time when I tried the rice had caked up. A little bit caking was there, though the rice was very good, yummy, delicious. A little bit caking was there. Dal was super awesome. That was super delicious, super yummy. The dal, my first attempt at dal was super yummy. It was excellent. Potato fry was also excellent. It was a little bit spicy because I think last time I put a little bit of extra red chili powder. So a little bit spicy, but even then it was super yummy, super delicious, mouth-watering delicious. And this is my second attempt. The rice is now far better than my first attempt. It has not caked at all. Now, and rajma has turned out to be yummy. And there is a red achar, red chili ready-made achar. That's already good. So the most important thing is, for those people who do not know anything about cooking, for those people like me who never knew the way to kitchen at home, and I've been to kitchen, those people who never knew the way to kitchen at their respective home, people like me should give it a kickstart. Yes, definitely. It is a good experience. It's a good learning experience. You develop a new outlook towards life. It's a very positive thing. It's a very wonderful, lovely thing that we can do is cooking. And not only this, you can cook, and initially you can do it for yourself, and slowly, gradually, we can improvise and make it for the family as well. So I once again, would like to ask all those people who don't know how to cook, who don't know their way to the kitchen at home. So you can start this, and it's a wonderful experience. It's a new learning experience. You will develop a very good outlook towards the life, and it's a wonderful process. It's an enriching experience. So you all should try it. Only those people who don't know nothing about cooking, only for those people like me, because there are so many experts, they already know cooking. So it's on this video is intended for all those people who know nothing about cooking. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I'm even loving the food that I made. It's too good. Fatafat I made. It's too good. Last time I made section wise. Today I made 2-3 items together. Rice and this rajma in the pressure cooker I made it together, and then I also parallelly I made this the puree to that, and then I started frying, and all these things just happened. So this time the speed was also pretty good, far better than the last time. So these things you can do while I continue my food. I'll continue this my food that I'll continue having this. Once again, I thank you all for watching my video. Thank you and have a good day. God bless you all. Thanks.